Adam here from Lifestyle Mobility, and up for review today we have this very comfortable and durable boot scooter from Venos. It is the Tiempo. Coming closer for a better look. It's maybe a small scooter, but it does come with a full seat. You've got the armrest and it's got great back support. Again, easy to swivel and also to take off when taking this into the boot. Underneath here, we do have our 12-amp batteries. Again, a 10-mile range on most of these boot scooters, which is great. Multiple colors here with the shrouding. It's a really good paint job, actually. A little metallic hint. And of course, we have these nice, soft, solid compound tires, which are really durable. Here's the Delta tiller, and this is actually one of my favorite Delta tillers. Very comfortable, ergonomic. Again, great to use if you can only use one hand. Easy analog dial. It's all lit up, and it even has a light here right at the front and an easy removable basket. Let's show you how this gets taken down for the boot. It all starts off with removing the chair. You have this simple, easy lever. Pull up, the chair off. The battery has a simple handle. Pull again, lift off, and a lever just at the back, separating the motor from the main frame. Here at the tiller, a couple of twists. This will lower down. Now let me show you how to lay this in your boot. And the first step is placing the main frame in the boot or in the back seat of your car. Once you've done this, you're going to place the battery exactly where it was in the beginning. From here, grab the handle, the motor, and place it in the middle of the main frame until it comes down, tightens up, and that locks everything in place safely. From here, you've got a perfect right angle in the chair. You're going to place that over, and there you have it, nice and compact in the boot, ready to go. Well, that concludes my review on these very comfortable and durable boot scooters. Please don't forget to have a look at our outdoor review and comparison with some other boot scooters we did in the woods recently. Please share, like, and subscribe. And of course, you can find us and buy this at lifestylemobility.co.uk. Please call the number below as well. And as always, I'll see you soon.